Hey, it's the morning of September 20th. I could not sleep. It's 2:45, and I'm probably about as nervous as I can ever remember being. I'm about to call my dad in Alabama. I think I'm in Germany right now, so I think we're 7 hours ahead. So it should be like 7:45 at night. So hopefully I'll be able to get a hold of him. He has no clue, nor do any members of my family. I've been kind of panicking about this like all weekend, and I said that I want to do it. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a hold of him. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, bud.
Hey, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I'm listening to my brother sing, but I sure ain't playing because I ain't heard his voice in a long time.
What are you doing right now?
Sitting upstairs.
Oh, who's with you?
Sherry?
Oh. Hey, can I tell you something?
Do I?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Will you love me, period?
Yes.
Like, you'll always love me, as long as I'm a... Dad, I'm gay.
Okay.
Like, always have been. I've known since forever. And, I know I haven't seen you in like a year, and, I don't know when's the next time I'll be able to see you. I didn't want to do it over the phone. I wanted to tell you in person, but, I mean, I didn't want you to find out any other way.
Okay.
You still love me?
I still love you, son. Yes, I still love you.
Are you okay, Dad?
Doesn't change our relationship. You hear me?
Yeah.
Doesn't change our relationship.
You're the first one I told. I haven't told Mom or any of the girls.
Okay.
So, I don't know. You want to tell Mom for me?
I don't believe so.
Do you think she'll know?
I think it's going to be a shock. I had my suspicions had for a little while.
Yeah. Well, other than that, everything's great. So, huh?
You know, I was going to say this. You know the good Lord. Okay?
Yeah.
Between you and him.
I know that. So, this isn't the first time I thought about it.
I love you, bud.
I know.
I still love you. Okay?
Yeah?
And I always will, no matter what. Alright?
Yes, sir.
You are my son. And I'm very proud of you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And I will always love you.
Thanks, Dad. I wasn't sure what you'd say.
Sure he loves you too. Right next to you. Sure he's gonna love you.
Alright. I've been working myself up, sitting here with the phone in my hand for about 4 hours. Alright.
But you need to watch your drinking over there.
I know, Dad. I know. It was Oktoberfest. It was 2 meters tall.
He's in Germany, so everything's meters. Alright.
Alright. If he...
I still love you, and I will always love you. And I will always be proud of you, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. And sure, it's good to hear your voice, son.
Alright. Thanks, Dad.
Yes, Tyler and Mackenzie both miss you terribly.
I know. I love him.
I'm not going to say that to anybody. I'll let you tell people as you feel like you need to.
Alright. You can tell whoever you want. Everybody here knows, Dad. So, and it's all been great. Like, nobody's giving me any shit about it. So, yeah.
Alright, bud.
You can tell Sherry and the, well, you can tell Sherry. So, alright. Alright, well, I love you, Daddy. Thanks for everything. I'll be home before too long.
Okay, if you call from that,
Alright, I love you.
love you too, bud.
Alright, bye. Oh my Lord.